Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kylie and today we are talking about Boxycharm. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription beauty subscription box. Yeah. You can purchase it monthly, bi-monthly, tri-monthly, 9-monthly, or yearly. There's a bunch of different options. I don't know exactly. I just know I purchased mine monthly. I don't have to hit a button every month. I'm automatically signed up for it each month until I cancel myself. You can cancel anytime you want, but you always get 4 to 5 full-size products in every single box. If you don't get a full-size product, it's because you're getting a travel size plus something else, so then you're probably going to get more products. 9 times out of 10 it's all full size. So this is what the box looks like. It just comes in your mail and then it's full of all your goodies. So it's pretty exciting. I love it. I've been signed up for it for almost 2 years now. So if you are interested in it, I will put my link to the Boxycharm in the description box below. Also, you pay $21 a month, but you get over $100 worth of products in the box. This month's box was worth $118, so that's pretty exciting. I love it. I really do. It's a great way to expand your makeup collection without breaking the bank. A great way to try brands that you've never tried before and products that you normally might not buy or try out without somebody urging you to do so. But 9 times out of 10, I like at least 4 out of 5 of the products in there. Overall, it's a great box. I think it's definitely worth my money. We are doing a try-on version of what's in the box. So I'm going to start with a blank canvas. We are going to apply the products as we pull them out of the box, and you get to see how they work and my thoughts on if I like them or not, and if they're a great product or not, and you know, that kind of fun stuff. Let's just get into it. Okay. First thing in the box that we can use is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. I have heard pretty good things about this. It's really thin compared to my Tarte primer that I use. It's really thin. So I'm going to put it on half my face quick to see if I can actually see it make a difference, and then I'll zoom you in. Alright, we're a little up and close and personal. This is the side that I put the primer on. Can you tell a difference? Personally, I'm trying to look in the viewfinder, but I can't really see. I can definitely see a difference. I think it does look a lot smoother and my pores do look more filled in. It definitely works. You can tell, I think you can tell it works. This side definitely looks a lot smoother. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then we'll be back. Alright, we've got my face covered in the primer. It feels really good. I really like the way it feels. I'm going to quickly put on my foundation and my eyebrows and then I'll be back. Alright, I'm back with some foundation. I got a little blush, eyebrows, and lipstick. I feel a lot better now. So let's jump into the next product, which is the Pretty Vulgar Bronzer. This is the shade 113 Bronzed Mannequin. This is beautiful. I don't know what it is about square packaging, but I just love it. I'm just gonna quickly pop this on with the Aesthetica P12 brush. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, just in the camera, holy cow, that looks harsh. But in person, it is not. So right, my skin definitely looks a lot more warmed up. Thoughts on the bronzer? First of all, I really like it. Like I said, I have a thing for square packaging, and I know it's just packaging and that's silly, but I really like it. The shade is great. You can use it as a contour if you wanted to because it doesn't have shimmer, but for me it's way too warm tone, so I wouldn't be able to. I would just have to use it as a bronzer, which I'm perfectly fine with that. It's beautiful, pigmented. I think it looks great, so I am definitely a fan. I really like it. Moving on to the next product. This is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Copper Foil. So it's just a pencil eye crayon and super duper beautiful. So Let's move on to the eyes and see what this looks like. I'm going to start by applying this directly on the eyelids. I did not set my eyelid like I normally would. I usually put concealer and then set it with a powder, but since I'm using a cream product, I'm not setting it with any powder. So I'm just gonna go directly over the little eyelid. And then I'm gonna take my ring finger and blend that out. It's really creamy on when you're placing it on with this and pretty easy to place, but it's hard to blend with your finger. The pigmentation is fantastic and it looks beautiful. So next I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M441. I'm gonna go into my chocolate bonbon palette and dip into this shade here, Almond Truffle. And then I'm just going to start in the outer corner here, pack a little bit there, and then try to blend it in the crease. I probably should have put something in the crease first, but I got ahead of myself. I don't want to go too crazy or anything. My main focus is just trying to figure out how this works by itself with other shadows, etc., etc. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. I am now going to take my Morphe M167. It is a synthetic packing brush. I'm going to take this shade Molasses Chip. It's a shimmery gold shade, and I just want to see how packing this on top of this gold shade is going to look. So I'm just going to place that in the center of the lid. Ooh, I really like that. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, I'm going to go back in with the pencil just a little bit in the inner corner and redefine that. Then take the packing brush again with no extra product and go over the two where I just placed it, the line basically where they meet, and pat over it so that they're all blended. I'm doing this on the gold side and the brown side in the outer corner as well. There, and now it's a lot more dimensional. I think that's super pretty. It definitely worked really well with eyeshadows. So I like it. I'm going to pop a little bit of inner corner highlight on, finish the other eye, and then I'll be back. Okay, this is both eyes finished. I think it's really pretty. Next product we're going to use is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now, I have tried this before and I did not like it at all, and I thought everybody was crazy and pretty much just jumping on the bandwagon of this was like the new hot product, and everybody was saying that they liked it because everybody else was saying that they liked it. But I got it in a box, so we're gonna try it again, and maybe I'm gonna like it. Maybe I was wrong the first time, or I don't know. So let's just put on some mascara and find out. This is like a really heavy tube. Holy cow. So far, not impressed. Okay, I can already tell you this is not my favorite mascara. I definitely think this is not worth the price. How much does this retail for? $24. This is not a $24 mascara. I think people are crazy. Like, am I the only one? If you don't like this mascara, please let me know in the comments. Let me know, or if you love it, let me know if you love it and let me know why you like it so much. No, I feel like I have to keep putting more and more and more and more on, and it's not doing anything. Okay, that's both eyes fully done. I don't think it added any length. It didn't separate. It just added blackness, I guess. So again, let me know what you guys think. I think there's definitely better mascaras out there, especially drugstore mascaras for half the price. Just let me know what you think. Am I crazy? Yeah, I don't think so. So far, I really like everything that's been in the box besides the Too Faced mascara. I am going to show you a mascara that came in one of my previous Boxycharms that I absolutely love and highly recommend. This is the Wander Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. If you're looking for a great mascara, this is fantastic. I love it so much. It's around the same price as the Too Faced one, but I would definitely prefer this one. So much better. I want to read to you real quick what the Too Faced mascara claims to do. It separates, coats, and curls each lash to a voluptuous perfection. Lock your lashes in a perfect curl. Are my lashes curled? I don't think they're curled any more than they normally are, and they're definitely not separated. Just The last product in the box is probably my favorite. This is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. Oh my gosh. So we have gotten a Sol de Janeiro cream before. It was the Brazilian Boom Boom cream. I loved this so much that I bought the full size. Let me show you the full size. Wow, aren't they so cute? I love them. This Boom Boom cream, I loved it so much that I went through the small one, bought this one, and now this one is all gone too. There's nothing left, but you can still smell it. But this month, we got the coconut one. Oh boy, this smells so good. Open it up, it comes with a little top of thing. I usually take these off and don't put them back on. I tried to keep them with my first one, but it was a mess. If you like coconuts, you will love this. It smells more than just coconuts though. It's like tropical coconuts. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's so good. Oh, I love it so much. And the smell stays with you forever, I swear. All day, if I have my hands in front of my face, that's all I smell, and it's so delicious. And it definitely helps with dry skin. I love it so much. I'm really glad I got this because I was about to go buy another one of those, but if I purchase another big one, it's definitely going to be this scent. If you have not tried this before, go into Sephora and try it and smell it, because literally I will wash my hands and this scent will still be on my hands after I wash my hands. It's so good. I love it so much. So that is the entirety of the box. Overall, I am pretty impressed. I really liked the Sol de Janeiro cream, the No Problem primer, and the bronzer the best. Not a fan of mascara, we all know that by now. And the eye pencil is really cool. Not something I typically use on a daily basis, but I think my eyeshadow looks beautiful. So I definitely will try these more often. I think it was a great box. Definitely worth my money. So if you got Boxycharm this month, let me know what is your favorite product, or your least favorite product, or whatever. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one. Bye.